tackling your bottleneck is actually easy. However, it requires self-awareness. You won't be able to get out of the situation if you first don't acknowledge you being the bottleneck. And that's the trickiest part because of your ego, fear, or lack of accountability. You see, success in entrepreneurship means growing through the different stages I mentioned, each facing you with bottlenecks and demanding a shift in your mindset every time. So, if you want to tackle your bottlenecks, two things must happen. One, you must work on your mindset and develop your self-awareness. And two, you must design a plan of action to address such bottlenecks. Remember, it always starts with you.